A woman marrying you, wearing your ring, taking your name, means nothing, too. What really matters is the way she respects your soul, stands by you in silence, supports you when no one claps, and stays loyal even when you have nothing to give. Anyone can play girlfriend, anyone can act in love, but only a real woman will build with you, pray for you, fight beside you, and protect your peace like it's her own. That, my friend, is what truly means something. Drop a 100 in the comments, and don't waste your time on anything less.